Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Okay, so we're looking at two Weber grills, right? The Q1200 and the Genesis E-330. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, the Q1200 is around $259, while the Genesis E-330 is a hefty $949. What's causing that massive jump?
Well, size is a big factor. The Q1200 only has 189 square inches of cooking space. It's a portable grill. And, the Genesis E-330 boasts a much larger 513 square inches. Clearly, it's built for bigger cookouts.
Makes sense. So, the Q1200 is more for tailgating or a small apartment balcony. What about burners?
The Q1200's got a single stainless steel burner, putting out 8,500 BTU. The Genesis E-330 rocks 3 pure blue burners. They are designed for even heat distribution.
Pure blue, huh? Sounds fancy. What about the grates? Are they different?
Definitely. The Q1200 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are pretty standard. The Genesis E-330 also has porcelain enameled cast iron, but they're part of the Be Recrafted system, meaning you can swap them out for pizza stones, griddles, and other accessories.
Oh, modular. That's cool. Anything else that sets them apart?
The Genesis has a built-in grill locker, which is great for storing tools and grillware, and a large sear zone for getting that perfect steak crust. The Q1200 is simpler, with fold-out side tables.
So one's a basic, portable grill, the other is a full-fledged outdoor kitchen. What about fuel?
Both run on liquid propane. The Q1200 uses those small, disposable cylinders, while the Genesis is meant for a standard 20-pound tank.
Got it. And weight?
Huge difference. The Q1200 is only 30 pounds, easy to carry around. The Genesis is a beast at 200 pounds. You're not moving that thing easily.
Okay, makes sense. So if you need portability and are grilling for 1 or 2 people, the Q1200 is a good option. But if you want a serious grill with lots of space and features, and are willing to spend the money, the Genesis E-330 is the way to go.
Exactly. It all depends on your needs and your budget. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.